everybody, it is Jessica with PlanIt Southern, and in today's video we are going to be looking at how I planned for week 9. I actually took this out of the vlog and slowed it down a little bit, that way you guys can see kind of how I set up my planner for the week. And right here I'm getting out all of my stickers. Now most of these I used clip art and digital paper from the Planner Society. I did purchase that kit on Christy's Etsy page, but unfortunately she does not allow for commercial use, small or large, so I cannot sell any of this in the shop, but the patterns are gorgeous, and you guys can certainly, I think it's still up, so you guys could definitely buy that and make these stickers yourself. But in the personal size, I'm not really loving it, I'll be honest with you guys. But I am putting down the half box that I do in every day in any planner, and I never use this box. Well, very rarely. I don't know why I put it down, but it's a habit, and I don't know if it's to fill space or what, but I did it in my B6 for March too. So I'm laying down all of those. I think when I first started it, it was meant to do like a thankful thought for the day, and I just never did it. So now I am going to be filling in all of my weekly to-do list. I put it on post-it notes, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys just veg out and listen to the music. But right here I'm using a Twsbi mini, and I haven't used it in a while, and I'm kind of digging it. So if you have any questions, just let me know down below and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. is the finished product. Here I'm just flipping day by day so you can see how I laid down all the stickers, and mainly just filled in the main things I know was going on that week. And then each day I would go in and fill out my to-do list and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really short but sweet video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!